Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Android Studio, Firebase console access, and your package name. Add the Crashlytics dependency to app-level build. Gradle and apply the Google Services plugin now. This links your app to Firebase. Once done, register the Android app in the Firebase project and download Google Services. JSON, put it in the app/directory so the Gradle sync can read configuration. This step establishes the link between your installed SDK and Firebase, which is essential before any crash reporting will work. Next, integrate Crashlytics into your app code and build process. Initialize Firebase in application. On Create. So Crashlytics starts early, then add the Crashlytics SDK lines to your dependencies and enable automatic mapping file uploads if you use ProGuard or R8. If you have native code, enable NDK crash reporting. Make sure to set Crashlytics collection enabled in runtime or manifest to control data collection. This gives you compliance flexibility. These steps ensure detailed, symbolic crash stacks arrive at Firebase for analysis. To complete setup, force a test crash from an activity, and then check the Firebase Crashlytics console for the event. This verifies end-to-end delivery. Make sure mapping files uploaded during your CI or local build so stack traces are deobfuscated. If you see no events, confirm internet permissions, Gradle sync, and that Crashlytics collection enabled is not false at runtime. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose Crashlytics logging and debug builds to inspect uploads and fix missing symbol or network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.